Going on vacation? The last thing you want is to be checking your email or leaving clients wondering why you aren't replying. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Gmail's vacation responder in just 2 minutes so you can actually enjoy your time off. First, on your computer, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then click See All Settings. You will land on the General tab. This page is long, so scroll all the way down to the very bottom. The last section is called Vacation Responder. Select Vacation Responder on. First, choose your first day. If you know when you were coming back, you can also check last day and set a date. This is great because Gmail will automatically turn it off for you, so you don't look silly sending auto replies a week after you return. Type your subject. Something simple like out of office works best. Then, write your message. Let people know when you'll be back and who to contact in an emergency. Here is the most important setting. I highly recommend checking the box that says, only send a response to people in my contacts. If you don't check this, spammers who email you will also get your auto reply, which confirms to them that your email address is active. Keep it to people you know. Finally, click Save Changes. You'll see a yellow banner at the top of your inbox reminding you that the responder is active. You can click End now right there when you get back. You can also do this in the Gmail mobile app under Settings, but the desktop version gives you more control. Enjoy your vacation. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos. Thanks for watching.